Welcome to my complete tutorial for the Event Tracker Spreadsheet for Excel. To get started, I recommend reading the README instructions and familiarizing yourself with the spreadsheet. Once you're ready, everything begins in the Event tab. This is where you'll enter all of your events and the rest of the spreadsheet will update from there. For each event, enter the event name, then select a category from the drop-down list. Next, choose a priority and status. These options help keep your events organized, make it easier to see what needs attention first, and track the progress of each event at a glance. You can also assign a date, start time, and end time for any scheduled event. This information is used throughout the spreadsheet to automatically populate your planner views and calendars. If you like to time block your day or plan out your schedule in advance, filling in these fields will help you get the most out of the spreadsheet. The days left column updates automatically, turns red when a task is overdue, and disappears once the task is marked as complete or checked off. Check the box if you'd like the event to appear in the annual calendar. I recommend using this only for important events, deadlines, appointments, or special dates that you want to keep visible throughout the year. This helps keep your annual calendar clear and focused on the events that matter most. If you want to edit any of these drop-down lists, simply go to the Setup tab. Here, you can customize the drop-down for category, priority, and status. In order for the spreadsheet to work properly, do not exceed the borders of the tables that I have created. For example, do not add more than 4 priorities. Once an event is complete, select Completed in the Status column or check the box on the left side. This will automatically update the charts and statistics throughout the spreadsheet, making it easy to track your progress and see how many events you've completed over time. To quickly organize your events, use the filter buttons at the top of each column. Click the filter icon in the column you want to sort or filter. For example, you can use this feature to sort your tasks in alphabetical order. You can also use filters to temporarily hide items from your list. For example, by deselecting True in the checkbox column, only incomplete events will remain visible. The same can be done with priority by deselecting any priority levels you do not want to display. The daily view shows you a clear breakdown of your events for a specific week. Select the year, month, and the time at which the day starts. Select the week that you wish to view using the mini calendar as a reference. The week will be highlighted. Events with times will appear in order and color blocked, so you can easily follow your schedule. If there is a conflict in your schedule, it will automatically be highlighted in red. Simply go back to the Events tab to make any corrections, and the calendar views will update accordingly. Use the monthly view to see your events in a calendar format. Select your month, update the year if needed, and choose whether your week starts on Monday or Sunday. Events are automatically arranged by date so you can plan ahead with ease. You can check the boxes to mark events as complete, but remember to uncheck them when changing months. Any event you check to include in the annual calendar will appear in the annual view. This gives you a full year at a glance and makes it easy to keep track of important dates, deadlines, appointments, holidays, and other key events throughout the year. That's everything you need to know to get started with the Event Tracker spreadsheet. Once your events are entered, the spreadsheet will automatically organize them across the different views, helping you stay on top of your schedule all year long. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll be happy to help.